University of Minnesota Protest of 1969. Essential question, how can protests make a difference? This design pattern is too weird for you to worry about the Bitmojis this time, I'm sure. If you see this, it's time for you to read. If you see this, it's time for you to write. Journal time. If you haven't already, please open the Black Minnesota History Journal from Schoology and follow the directions for today. When you're done, come back and complete this work on the UMN protests. You'll find it right here. This is the University of Minnesota. We call it the U sometimes. It's in Minneapolis, Minnesota on the Mississippi River. Watch this video through Schoology or here, this link, because you won't be able to answer these questions until you watch it. Number 1, what happened in 1968? Number 2, how did people react to Dr. King's assassination? 3, what did the student group do with their list of demands? 4, what did the student group do when university president Moose didn't listen to them? 5, what race or races were the student protesters? 6, what did the student protesters want at the U? And 7, why is there a Black Studies department at the U today? Raft strategy, write a speech. Speech is your format. Pretend you're a student protester, which is your role, at the University of Minnesota in 1969. Explain to your fellow students, they're your audience, how you can make a difference by protesting. That's your topic. Write speech here. Done? I can't wait to read your speech. Dropbox at UMN Protest.